Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today lesson has topic periodic table of elements. Before this periodic table, many scientists did their work for arranging elements because when the elements were discovered, there was the need for placing the elements in proper place. So by which anyone can study about the elements. So the previous work I will explain you in any other lesson. Now modern periodic table. Modern periodic table arranged in ascending order of their atomic number, like green 1 hydrogen H1, then helium orange is 2, 2 atomic number, lithium 3, beryllium 4, Be, B5 boron, C carbon 6, N7 nitrogen, O8 oxygen, F9 fluorine, Ne neon 10. So by this elements were arranged. I will explain in detail. Mendeleev. Before this modern periodic table, Mendeleev also arranged elements. Mendeleev published the first periodic table in 1869 based on the work of the physicist Henry Moseley. Moseley arranged elements and he made rule. The periodic table was recognized on the basis of increasing atomic number rather than on atomic weight. Before this periodic table, this one, all the work for the arrangement of elements in periodic table based on atomic masses, but this arranged on the basis of atomic number. Mendeleev also arranged elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. But Moseley proposed the rule for the arrangement of elements in ascending order of their atomic number, not on atomic masses or atomic weight. The revised table could be used to predict the properties of elements that had yet to be discovered. In periodic table, we have groups and periods. Groups are vertical lines and periods are horizontal lines. Group and periods are two ways of categorizing elements in periodic table. Periods are horizontal rows across the periodic table, while the groups are vertical columns down the table. Atomic number increases as you move down a group or across a period. Atomic number gradually increases. First group. First group that is present on the extreme left of periodic table. The first vertical. I am telling you groups. So vertical column. The first vertical column is 1A. That is the name is alkali metals. Consist of the chemical element lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Together with hydrogen, they constitute group 1. Hydrogen, the first member, but hydrogen property and all the members like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, All these have different property as compared to hydrogen. Hydrogen is totally different, but this is hydrogen is placed in group 1A because of only one electron present in outermost shell of hydrogen. Hydrogen has only one electron and it is present in that one electron is present in outermost shell, and all the group members of alkali metal, that is 1A, all have one electron in outermost shell. So because of this similarity, hydrogen is placed in with alkali metals. Together with hydrogen, they constitute group 1, which lies in the S block of the periodic table. That 1A or alkali metals are S block. S block elements are alkali metals 1A and 2A alkaline earth metals. Both are S block. What is S block? The element's configuration when ends at S orbital. They are in S block. Like lithium, when we write lithium Li3, the configuration will be 1s2 2s1. The last configuration S1. Okay. Another next member beryllium 4, we write configuration 1s2 2s2. S, the last orbit, the last configuration S2. So S has two capacity, S1 in lithium and S2 in beryllium. So both are in S block. That is whole vertical line, two vertical lines from the left side, from the extreme left, are S block. Okay, I am reading. Alkali metals have their outermost electron in an S orbital. This shared electron configuration results in their having very similar characteristic properties. Okay, S has alkali metals have S1 configuration in the end, so they are in S1 or S block. Indeed, the alkali metals provide the best example of group trends in properties in the periodic table, with elements exhibiting well characterized homologous behavior. Homologous behavior means same behavior like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, all are like sisters or brothers of the family. So this family members have similarities like brother and sister resemble by their physical features as well as their habits are same. So this 1A member also have similarities with respect to their chemical properties, chemical reactions, physical properties. This family of elements is also known as lithium family after its leading element. Lithium is the first member because hydrogen, the top one is hydrogen, then lithium. So it can also be called as lithium family. Where are the alkali metals? The elements in group 1 on the left of the periodic table are called alkali metals. Like lithium, sodium, this is extreme left of the periodic table. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These metals are all very reactive, highly reactive, which makes them different from other metals. Like sodium, we keep sodium in kerosene oil. to avoid its oxidation with the air. So when a small droplet or a small moisture with sodium, when exposed in air, it gets fire. Sodium and potassium both do this. Lithium is also highly reactive, and francium is most reactive alkali metal, because all have one electron in outermost, so they can easily give that electron and become positive ion, so become highly reactive. Next group, second next to alkali metals, that is 2A. This is alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are 6 chemical elements in group 2 of the periodic table. They are next to lithium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are alkaline earth metals member. The elements have very similar properties. They are all shiny, silvery white, somewhat reactive metals, more reactive but less reactive than alkali metals. Somewhat reactive metals at standard temperature and pressure. At normal temperature, room temperature, they react. They don't need. Alkali metals react at room temperature. Alkaline earth metals need, sometimes they need heating or heating. Okay, this is the periodic table. First one, alkali metals, pink one, and yellow is alkaline earth metals. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay, I hope you understand all these. Allah Hafiz.